Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show how you can add your finished missions to the Valkyrie quest list and therefore make them available for other players too. So the first thing we have to do is publishing our quests we have created, and I'll use my demo quest from the last video here. Go into the editor, and now you have to go to Tools and create package. This has now automatically created a folder on your desktop which contains the files you need to upload afterwards. So it's always an ini file and a .valkyrie file. The ini file has some base descriptions of your mission, and the Valkyrie file is a container file which we could now already look into, for example using 7-zip, and it contains all the files of your mission. So this stuff has now to be uploaded to GitHub. GitHub is a website where you can host your repositories for coding, or in this case your Valkyrie files. You have to go to github.com and click sign up, and afterwards fill in a username, a mail address and a password. Then your account gets created. So in my case I have already created an account, and for this account you now have to go to repositories and click new and create a new repository afterwards. So in my case, because I want to upload my sound, graphics and localization demo here, I will just use the same name for this and add it here. In description, this is a demo for the Valkyrie mission creator tool for Descent and Mansions of Madness. And you have to set your repository to public, otherwise it won't be available for anyone else. Don't need anything of this stuff here currently. Could add a README file or a license, but we won't do this now. So now we click Create Repository. Okay, perfect. Our repository has been created. And now we could directly add our files here in the browser, which is what I will do here now. Click on Upload an existing file. And now you can drag and drop your files directly in here. So I'll drop not the folder, but the 2 single files. Now they have been uploaded. And we have to give a commit comment here. So initial add of files. And no optional description. Now we say commit changes. And now it will take a few seconds, depending on the size of the mission, to upload these files. Okay, that's all we need. Now what we have to do is telling the Valkyrie community that the new quest has been added. For this we have to go to another GitHub page. The Valkyrie stuff is also located in GitHub, so therefore we have to go to the GitHub repository of Valkyrie, so npbruce Valkyrie and /issues, and here we have now to create a new issue. And we have to enter something like new scenario here in the title and the name of our scenario. So ground sounds, graphics and localization demo. And for the text here below, I've created something already. So just something saying like, I have created a new scenario, the name of the scenario and the link to your scenario. and then the question if this can be added to the mission list. And afterwards, the Valkyrie developers will have a look at your repository and check if everything is okay with it. And then when it's approved, the mission will be added to the mission list. So these are already all steps needed for uploading your scenario. And this is also everything you need to know for building a mission for Valkyrie and publishing it. So this will be the last video for this tutorial series. Thanks for watching again, and I hope you have fun creating some new stuff for Valkyrie.